Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, Saqib Ali from the Desktop World. Here in this video, we'll be talking about the most exciting, most interesting and most valuable feature of the Facebook, locking your profile. Facebook has provided this feature earlier in this year. This feature is mainly related to the privacy. If you want your profile not to be analyzed, not to be viewed by anyone that you don't want to, then you can lock your Facebook profile for all of the people that are not in your friend list. Okay, let's get started. Let's jump on the browser screen. So the friends, I contacted someone on the Facebook without getting into the Facebook friendship. I was chatting with that person and I wanted to see the profile of that person. I opened that profile and look what I saw. So she had locked her profile. She is from India. I checked my Facebook account for this option, but this option was not available in my country. You can simply lock your profile with just one click. No one other than your friends in your friend list can see your profile. So this is a simple method to lock your profile from the Facebook account. Just log into your Facebook account, click on your name on your profile page, on your timeline, click on the more, and here in these options you will see at the end of this menu you will see a lock profile button. You just click on that lock profile button and you are done with this. To get the same or similar level of privacy in my country where this lock profile option is not available, you can use privacy options. Go to your setting in privacy, setting. Inside the privacy setting, click on the privacy. Inside the privacy setting, you will see a detailed configuration options. You can limit your profile being analyzed by anyone not in your friend list, who can see your future posts. Anyone can see my future posts. If you want to limit it to the only friends, you click on the edit button and select from the drop down friends except. You can limit your friends even, okay, and review all your posts and things you are tagged in. You can review all the past posts and activities that you are involved in, you are being tagged on, and that posts. You can untag yourself from that posts. And this is the most important option: who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Only me. I have set it to only me because I don't want anyone else to see my activity, whom I follow, what pages I follow, what pages I like, what groups I like. I don't want anyone to see my likes and dislikes. How can the people find you on the Facebook? You can restrict that option. I left it to the everyone can find me. You can edit it. Who can send you friend requests? If you want people not to send you a friend request, you can click on this edit option. Only friends of friends can send you friend request. If you choose this option, I left it to the everyone. Anyone can send me friend request. Who can see your friend list? This is another most important option. I don't want other people to see my friend list, so I set it to only me. You can change it to friends of friends. Who can look up using the email address you provided? Only friends. Anyone can search you through your email address. I set it to the friends. And who can look up you using the phone number? These are the search option to how people can contact you. They can contact you through the friends of friend list. Anyone can send you friend request or not. Who can search you through your email address or a phone number? Do you want the search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile, I set it to no. Search engine like the Bing, the Google, they can link my profile to the Google search queries. I set it to the no. No one can search me on the Google. And the third major option for managing your privacy in the Facebook is how you get message requests. People with your phone number can chat with you. Okay, friends of friends on the Facebook, only message request. Friends of friends cannot send me direct messages or can chat with me. Only the people with my phone number